Good morning, students. Today, class on Introduction to Elixirs, Formulation and Storage of Elixirs. Elixirs are clear in nature. There are sweet taste in nature. They contains alcohol used as a vehicle. So, these elixirs are used to administrate through oral. These are easily palatable. So, elixirs are defined as clear, sweetened hydroalcoholic preparations intended for oral use, usually flavored for palatability. Elixirs are mainly contain alcoholic. The alcoholic content varies from 10 to 12 percentage and up to 40%. Elixirs are sweet liquid preparations also used for medical purpose. These are taken orally. Types of elixirs. There are two types: medicated elixirs and non-medicated elixirs. Non-medicated elixirs. These are used as a solvent or vehicle for preparation of a medicated elixirs. The active ingredient or a substance used to produce the desired pharmacological action that can be dissolved in these non-medicated elixirs. Examples: aromatic elixir as per United States Pharmacopoeia, isoalcoholic elixir, National Formulary, compound benzaldehyde elixirs according to National Formulary. Non-medicated elixirs are not contains medicated agents. These are mainly contains alcohol, sweetening agents, coloring agents, and also having self-preservative activity. These are used as a diluent or vehicle for preparation of medicated elixirs. Medicated elixirs. These are the second type of elixirs used for treatment of various types of diseases. Examples: antihistaminic elixirs. These are most commonly used for treatment of allergic conditions. Examples: chlorpheniramine malate according to United States Pharmacopoeia. Sedative and hypnotic elixirs. These are used for produces drowsiness and hypnotic produces sleep. Pediatric elixirs such as chloral hydrate, expectorant elixirs. These are used to facilitate the productive cough, such as terpene hydrate. These are the various types of medicated elixirs used for treatment of various types of diseases. These medicated elixirs are contains a solution of active ingredient dissolved in a water and alcohol along with other additives, and also contains preservatives. The major ingredients present in the formulation of a elixirs are vehicles: ethyl alcohol, water, glycerin, propylene glycol, flavoring agents, coloring agents, and preservative agents. Examples: piperazine citrate elixirs. Prepare and dispense 100 ml of piperazine citrate elixir according to Indian Pharmacopoeia. It contains piperazine citrate 18 grams, chloroform spirit 0.5 ml, glycerin 10 ml, orange oil 0.025 ml, syrup up to 50 ml, purified water used as a vehicle up to 100 ml. The procedure involved in preparation of piperazine citrate elixir is follows the procedure. In this elixir, piperazine citrate produces the desired pharmacological action. Procedure: dissolve the piperazine citrate in some part of purified water, add the orange oil, glycerin syrup, chloroform spirit and mix together. It can be filled up to purified water up to 100 ml. Next one, phenobarbital elixir. Prepare and dispense phenobarbital 100 ml of elixir in according to Indian Pharmacopoeia. It will contains phenobarbital 400 mg, alcohol 90% 40 ml, compound orange spirit 2.5 ml, glycerol 40 ml, amaranth solution 1 ml, purified water up to 100 ml. Make an elixir. The procedure involved in preparation of phenobarbital elixir is dissolve the phenobarbital in alcohol 90% of, add the remaining ingredients like compound orange spirit, glycerol, amaranth solution and add sufficient quantity of water to make the required volume. The prepared elixir can be transferred into bottle and label and dispensed. This is the procedure for preparation of phenobarbital elixir. Formulation of elixirs. The major ingredients present in the formulation of elixirs are vehicles and adjuvants. The adjuvants used in preparation of elixirs are chemical stabilizers, coloring agents, flavoring agents and preservative agents. The most commonly used vehicles for preparation of elixirs are water. For the preparation of elixirs using flavoring agents, alcohol is used for preparation of elixirs. The alcohol content is 5 to 40%. The flavoring agents are soluble in alcohol, so for the preparation of elixirs containing flavoring agent, alcohol can be used. Syrup or flavoring syrups are used as a vehicles for preparation of pediatric syrups. Sorbitol and propylene glycol is also used for preparation of vehicles for preparation of certain drugs which are insoluble in water. It may be soluble in sorbitol and propylene glycol. Example, paracetamol syrups. Chemical stabilizers. This is the one of the adjuvants used in preparation of elixirs. Chemical stabilizers like citric acid and disodium EDTA. Citric acid can be added to the neomycin elixirs, prevents the darkness of elixir upon longer storage conditions. Disodium EDTA is also added to the neomycin elixir, prevents the decomposition of a neomycin. These are the chemical stabilizers used in preparation of elixirs. Coloring agents. For the preparation of elixirs, various types of coloring agents can be used to prepare elixirs to produce color. Examples are amaranth, compound tartargin, green S, tartargin. These are the various types of coloring agents used in preparation of elixirs. Flavoring agents. In preparation of elixirs, the following type of flavoring agents can be used: black currant syrup, raspberry syrup, lemon syrup, and orange syrup. Preservatives. Most of the syrups elixirs are prepared using 25% alcohol. The alcoholic content can be varies. For the preparation of elixirs containing 20% alcohol, in which the growth of molds and fermentation can be decreases. So, due to presence of 20% alcohol, propylene glycol, glycerol act as a vehicle and also exhibits high osmotic pressure. Due to high osmotic pressure, inhibit the growth of molds, fungi, and also bacteria. So there is no adding of preservatives. Chloroform water is taken in double strength, also act as a preservative agents. In preparation of elixirs, in some preparations also used as a benzoic acid. Methylparaben is also act as a preservative agents. These are the various types of preservative agents used in preparation of elixirs. Containers. Elixirs are dispensed in well-filled, well-closed, airtight glass bottles having screw caps. This type of containers can be used for storage of elixirs. Storage. Elixirs can be stored in cool place. These elixirs are protected from light. So using elixirs can be dispensed in amber color bottles to protect from the light. Some of the marketed available preparations of elixirs. Paracetamol elixirs for children's. This is most commonly used for children having 1 to 5 years only. Next one, Debritone elixir. The major ingredient present in Debritone elixirs is phenobarbital. This is produces sedative or anticonvulsant action. Next one, piperazine citrate elixir. This is also one of the ingredients available in marketed. Thank you. Today class discussing about elixirs, types of elixirs, formulation of elixirs and storage conditions of elixirs. Thank you.